And Daropa. Early the second by Asi Kuda, moving up is Balik My Perpi Pira, moving up now by Ruila, but still Balik leading Balang, followed by My Perpi Pira. Running in fourth is Hey Jude, Grand Homer, moving up now to take Fipa, Asi Kuda Chinoy, while Bloodline is running in the tail of the field, going along for the first turn. Balik leads by Falang, followed by Pira. My Perpi on the outside, third down in fourth. Hey Jude, two lengths back, Grand Homer, Asi Kuda, Bloodline, and Chinoy. And passing the half mile, balik, Pira, moving up now, Barula. It's Pira, balik, My Perpi. And two lengths back now, Hey Jude, Grand Homer, Asi Kuda, coming closer now in six together with Bloodline and Chinoy, still running in the tail of the field inside the last 600. Abate Royale, Pira, balik, Grand Homer moving up now to take third. Asi Kuda moving up now to take fourth down in tip. My Perpi. Bloodline now running in six. As they swing for home. Pira leads by some 4 lengths now. Followed now by Grand Homer, balik, Asi Kuda and Bloodline. And finally, Pira, Asi Kuda, Grand Homer, Bloodline, balik, 8 My Perpi, Hey Jude, Chinoy.
Nagpanalo rin si Bata. JT Zarate on top of Pira winning.